Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Time channel. So today, I will teach you how I made this simple abstract slab. For this project, I used polymer clay in these colors: black, pearly white, and gold. I also used clay cutters, a detail needle, and a thick regular needle. Some earring findings, and my trusty, very dirty pasta roller. As with any clay project, you will have to condition your clay first. So I've actually pre-conditioned this clay, so it's pretty soft. I'm now putting it in the thickest setting, which is 1, on my pasta machine, and I'm going to roll out the slab. So black is going to be the color of my slab. The next thing that I did is I got my gold polymer clay, and then I started to make thin snakes. I did the same for the white clay and rolled it out into thin snakes. So to make the design, I got my white clay and then pressed it on the black slab and then pulled it and then broke a piece of it off to make lines. So I continued to do this until I was able to fill the entire slab with broken white lines. So because it's an abstract design, it really doesn't have to be perfect. Next is I went across and pulled the gold polymer clay snake, making sure that it touched the white, the initial white lines that I made. So but I used the same method, which is just pressing it down and pulling it. There we go. So it's very, very random. I'm taking out my pasta roller once more, but this time I'm going to put it in the number 2 setting, and then I'm going to very carefully roll out the slab that I just made. So that's the design that was created. So now I'm bringing out my clay cutters and I am punching out the shapes that I want to make out of this abstract clay slab. Next is the circular cutter. I'm going to attach that to the initial shape that I punched out. And there we have it. Next is I will have to put holes on the top of the shapes that I made. I used here the thick needle. Of course, you can also use the detailing needle, but my jump rings are pretty thick, so I really need to make thick holes. Here it is, getting baked. As you can tell, my oven's pretty loaded. If you're a beginner, I wouldn't recommend doing it like this because you could actually burn your clay. But I'm feeling very lucky today and I don't want to spend too much time on baking, so I actually loaded my oven quite a bit. I'm just going to be very careful and look at it while it's baking. And now my clay is baked and I'm going to put in my jump rings. I'm going to assemble my earrings now. First, I'm going to put in my jump rings, and then I'm going to attach the shapes together. have it, some very simple abstract earrings. If you like this video, please consider pressing the like button and subscribing. Thanks! Bye!